In this tutorial, we will see that how you can transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. For the first step, here is an Android phone. To transfer photos to USB drive, you can see here this Android phone has USB-C type. So to insert this USB, we need this OTG that you can get from Amazon store. You can get link and description of that OTG. You need to plug this OTG like this into C type and then place your USB in it like that. Now after inserting this USB, you will get this message. USB is now available. You can get option of this mass storage that's actually is USB data. If you open it, it will show the all folders of that USB drive. Now to transfer photos from Android phone to this USB, open your images, select the images that you want to transfer. Like I am selecting these two. Click on these three dots and select copy to. Then it will show you these two options, copy to internal storage or mass storage. This mass storage is our USB. Select this mass storage and here you can select any of the folder. I will select this new folder and simply copy here and you will get this notification to files copied to new. Now to confirm this, if you open this USB drive and open this new folder, you can see here our copied files. So that's how you can transfer photos from Android phone to USB drive in just few easy steps.